This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Suzuki Vitara S, stock reference number 5605. This shape runs from the 6-month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a K14C 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K14C 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, right-hand daytime running light, left-hand daytime running light, left-hand fog light, left headlight light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right guard has no damage, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, the sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.